Hi, my name's Colin.
My name's Ivan.
And I'm Benny, and we're the team behind Line, a rechargeable and adjustable line projection device that is used to assist Raymond Villanueva, who has been impacted by the effects of freezing of Gait.
Gait alone is the forward walking motion used to move on the ground, characterized by two phases, the stance phase and the swing phase. The freezing of gait is a neurological condition that disrupts this cycle during the swing phase, causing the lifted foot to touch the ground before it swings in front of the supporting foot. During a freezing of gait episode, patients may feel as if they are glued in place and unable to move. Our goal is to provide patients like Raymond with an affordable alternative that helps break freezing of gait and improves their quality of life.
Although there are treatments out there to assist in freezing of gait, such as sensory cues and walking aids, these devices tend to be either too expensive or completely ineffective in assisting their users in their day-to-day activities. For instance, canes can help with walking, but people with freezing of gait tend to freeze in place even with the intention of moving forward, thus making the cane almost useless. Additionally, other laser line projection devices are often too costly and lack crucial features such as an adjustable laser line or the ability to vary line brightness.
To address these issues, we made Line, a highly modifiable and adjustable device that can be easily mounted onto any cane or walker. We wanted our users to have a simple, affordable, and accessible friendly device that could be easily manufactured and assembled, while also being easily customizable to meet the needs of the clientele. Utilizing Fusion 360, 3D printing, and open source models from GrabCAD and McMaster, we designed multiple iterations of the housing, factoring in the size and weights of the electronic components, user convenience, and most importantly, safety. Knowing that our device would require numerous iterations to perfectly match the wants and needs of Raymond, we utilized JST ports and servo connectors to enable quick electrical component movement, along with brass threaded inserts to reduce wear on the plastic housing from numerous disassemblies.
Originally, we had planned to include a haptic and audio system to accompany the laser line projection so that Raymond could get tactile and auditory feedback in addition to the laser line, which faded in brighter environments. After an initial testing phase and an early prototype without these subsystems, Raymond told us that carrying the device for long periods of time was strenuous, prompting our eventual decision to focus our efforts on making the design more lightweight instead of adding more features. Without the need to house electronic components like an Arduino Micro, 3-watt 8-ohm speaker, or micro SD adapter, our final design took up far less room than prior. Additionally, the slimmer build resulted in less energy consumption and a more stable center of mass when attached to a cane, reducing the overall strain for Raymond.
That said, this is the story behind Line, a highly modifiable and adjustable device that can be easily mounted onto any cane or walker, helping people improve their gait every step of the way.